here are some points to be noted or to be reminded while doing the practicals for grouping. When the condition is when R is comparable to R is very greater than R, means when external resistance is very greater than the internal resistance, we know that in this case the current is said to be maximum when they are connected in series, and that is given by NE divided by R plus NR. Now if capital R, that is resistance, external resistance is very less than the internal resistance, in this case for maximum current to flow, these cells must be connected in parallel. So in that case the formula that we will use will be the maximum current for parallel circuit. If R is comparable to R, means when external resistance is comparable to the internal resistance, in this case we will use the mixed grouping formula. Now what steps we need to be followed is, let N be the number of cells to be connected in the circuit, as I have told earlier while discussing about the mixed grouping case. M number of such rows to be connected in parallel, means we are having N number of cells to be connected in series and M such rows to be connected in parallel, right? In this case, so it means M into N will be equal to total number of cells. In the question the total number of cells will be given to you, so you will put M into N is equal to total number of cells. For maximum current, R is equal to NR by M. NR by M is actually the equivalent internal resistance, and that is equal to the external resistance. So now we can calculate the value of N in terms of M, and we can put here. From this we can find the value of N or M, whatever is required. After calculating the value of M and N, we can put these values in the expression for the maximum value of current and hence find out the result. So let us recapitulate this. When R is very greater than small r, series circuit is to be used and formula for series is used. When external resistance is very less than the internal resistance, then parallel combination is used and the formula for parallel combination is used. When R is comparable to be R, in this case mixed grouping case is used, and for mixed grouping M into N is the total number of cells. Maximum current के लिए external resistance should be equal to internal resistance, and in this case we can find out the value of N or M, and then putting the value in I we can get the value of maximum current. That's it. Now we will do the numerical based on this in the next slide.